In this first clip, it shows a man on a porch. Then he picks up what seems like to be a shoe or a slipper, and he sniffs it, then puts it down, and casually walks away like nothing ever happened. From the date, this incident happened on December 1st, 2023. From the information I got online, the homeowner doesn't know who this man is, but I'm not sure what his intentions were besides fetish, and this probably isn't his first time doing it either. You've probably seen this clip before, but I'm going to show it anyways. It shows a man walking up to a random person's house and starts licking the doorbell. I'm not sure how long this went, but it seems to be a pretty long time. Just imagine someone touching the doorbell without knowing that a random dude licked that doorbell. It really shows you the people on this world. I still have no clue why he would do this, but I highly doubt this was his first time and he has done this before. On December 2020, this homeowner caught a random woman on their front door, just standing there with her mouth open after ringing the doorbell. She rang the doorbell once more, but then walked away with her mouth opened. Very little context is given. The homeowner probably doesn't know who this woman is and why she even did this, but either way, it's still creepy that someone would do this without you knowing. On May 9th, 2021, these two couples were ready to go back inside their house. As soon as they were about to go inside, they heard a gun firing in the distance. And in the clip, you can see a car in the background driving by. It could possibly have been that car because the noise sounded close, but nevertheless, it was still disturbing either way.
Let's go inside. Everyone inside. Let's go. Let's go.
In this next clip, it shows a woman walking up in front of someone else's door. She has a mask on and a towel, and she's just standing there likely waiting for someone or trying to get in the house. And the clip just ends there. Her having a towel, a mask, and a glove. She was most likely trying to poison someone or throw that towel in someone else's face. But then again, I don't know the backstory of this, so I could be wrong. This was captured quite recently in London. This clip is pretty disturbing and I probably can't show it on YouTube. But there seems to be two men walking in the night. They suddenly stop and look to their right. And on the distance you can see three men on a bicycle coming towards them. And one of the men says yeah, then says wait, that's not me. Then the first man on a bicycle shoots him with a gun. He either misses the shot or hit him. So he starts running away, but those three men on a bicycle starts following him. And you can hear the man who got shot screaming. And then the clip ends right there. After viewing the footage, I hope the man escaped alive. But I'm not quite sure. This was likely a failed robbery, or just murder that was intended, but either way, it was still very disturbing.
that's what I mean. Oh, okay, dog.
On this doorbell footage, you can see a man wearing a hoodie that comes up to this person's house. He's trying to unlock the door and he sees the doorbell, so he rings it. And the homeowner surprisingly opens the door. And he asks, who is he? And the stranger likely gave out a fake name. And the homeowner says, you need to leave. So he forces him out the door. And the stranger gets angry and punches the door. So he again tries to get back inside. And he just stands there waiting for the door to open again. Thankfully, the homeowner doesn't, so he just stands there. After this, you could say the homeowner is very lucky. This guy could have probably had some sort of a weapon, and he was most likely trying to rob the house. You should always check before opening the door, even if you don't have a camera installed at your house. This homeowner was very lucky that he wasn't killed or robbed, but I hope he doesn't open the door again like this.
Hello.
Hi. How are you, sir?
Who are you?
Everybody in the house, how are you?
Good. You need to leave.
How far?
Out there.
What's the reason stairs here?
What?
What's the stone stairs here?
Come on. Where are you going?
What's the stairs here?
Goodbye. You.